this is my last book of knitting patterns, and the reason I forgot this one, it was hidden on the chair under my table because I had been sorting it out a little while ago and I never got round to finishing it off, and I must have put it on that chair at the back and pushed it under the table so I couldn't see it until I actually pulled the chair out. So this is what I've been doing. Now this one I'm busy working on at the moment, and this is a king cole, and this was sent to me by Angela. I think I told you in another video. Your little hat, little cardigan, and there's a little blanket thing here. And on the back have a V-neck cardigan and a little gilet, or gilet, I know how you pronounce that. Little waistcoat. That was that one. Now this one here, I have been knitting it, so I'm going to show you the pieces I have here. I haven't quite finished it yet. If I can sort the pieces out to show you. That is the back, and I have one of the fronts. I've done that way round. I've done the front. Now that has to be stitched down there, and that part of it goes across the back of it, so that's part of the front. And I have the other front to do to finish the front on the other side. That'll be on top of that, because I carried it on doing the pattern as it was in the book, and it is set, you know, the buttons for a little boy. It has got little bits of pink in, but I don't think it matters with little babies whether there's little bits of pink, because there's blue in as well. And anyway, that's have to do another piece like that on that side. I already have the sleeves done. It's just a drop shoulder. There's no shaping to the sleeves or the like a raglan, you know. I just have to join that to there and that to there, and that's how much I have left. That's the second ball. It's just 100 grams, and there's quite still a lot there. I think I may get the little hat out as well. So when I finish that, that'll be on probably on my eBay shop when I get it finished. So that was just to show you what I've been doing with that one. I'll put that out the way now and show you the rest of the patterns here. That's that one. And that was another one I did for a lady. She sent me that pattern actually to do that one. And that's another one, a king cole, a blackberry pattern, or bubble stitch as some call it. Little hat and blanket. And this is another one. It just says UK HKA, Hand Knitting Association. So that's just little cardigans buttoned up with V-neck with a bit lacy pattern on. And that's another one. It was a free one I got from somewhere, from Lovecraft I think it was. Just like a hooded pullover. I may do that one day. And that's a little Peyton's Fairy Tale little sweater. Another Peyton's 3 little sweaters on. There's a Peyton's little cardigan there. A Serdar little sweater with like bubble pattern on it. I'll hold it closer up, you can see it better. It's like a little bubble stitch, I think, with like 4 little bubbles, blue and lemons. That's a Serdar pattern with a little scalloped edge around the bands on it. I think it's all the way around the whole thing, like a bolero type. It's Peter Pan, little cardigans, a collared one, and like a waistcoat type with a collar on. I've got an empty space there, I must have taken something out. Another king cole, little boy's hat and cardigan. James C. Brett's sweater and cardigan. It's another king cole. Some of these king cole ones, like that one, have things on the back. I would have to pull it out to show the back. I can get them out. Pull that down a bit because it's not much room there. There you get things on the back like that on the King Cole patterns. They're worth buying if you were buying any of the King Cole, because you don't just get what you see on the front. These are the ones on the back as well. You put that back in. That's the trouble when they're in here. I put 2 in, so I'm having trouble getting that one back in. I'll just leave it and I'll put them back afterwards. And this one is another one. This is the same. One's a Stylecraft, one's a where you have all the different ones on the back. As I'm saying, the King Cole patterns are worth buying because of all the extra things you get on them. I'll just leave that there. And that's the back of the Stylecraft one. This must be the pattern for to do with the little bear, or no, it's a reindeer, isn't it? And the hat and there's another King Cole. That one is just those ones, that's on the front. There's another King Cole. Little hat and little cardigan. And this one. I'll just hold it down like that so I can push it back. Then you can see a little cardigan and little hat with 2 pom-poms on. And some of these are some of my old ones. As you can see, the price on here, it says 9pence, old money. That's not even a shilling, which is 5p. I'm not sure how much 9pence was, about 4p or something like that. Which I knit for my kids, the cardigans. And there's another one with a Hayfields, a whole set, dress, cardigan, booties, hat and mittens and blanket. That's another one, 2 little cardigans. These were ones I think I got off the internet. I think it's Lovecrafts where I got most of the free ones from. There's a Peter Gregory. And 2 matinee coats. 2 little cardigans on that Peter Gregory one. It's a bit faded, this one. Little Fair Isle sweaters. I hold them a bit closer, you might be able to see better. I think they've got little rabbits on and teddies and love hearts. Here's another one with little cardigans, a V-neck and a button up. More little sweaters, Peter Gregory. It's another Peter Gregory with little sweaters, 4 sweaters on. That's a King Cole with 2 little, well, it's a cardigan and a little sweater. The Serdo with 1, 2, 3, 4 little cardigans, different necks on them and little hats. Another one of my old patterns, that's a robin. Don't know it's got the price on that one, but it's probably less than a shilling. And there's a Peter Pan, 7p, that's newer money. So I must have bought that one after 72. I know I knit that for my kids. Little bit Fair Isle on the shoulders part. A lot of these were all my own patterns. And that one was 9pence in old money. A little sweater and a little cardigan, another Peter Pan. That's a Serdo. I know I knit that for all of my boys. 7.5p. Their little pants and little sweater. There's another one I knit for my kids. Doesn't tell you how much it was, but it's just a little set. They are the kind of things we had in my day. Little leggings and cardigans and hats. Another one of my old ones. Little baby cardigans, matinee coats and cardigans. I think that's a double-breasted one. I think I knit that one for them. For mine. That was a Hayfield. The one where you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think my children wrote all over that one. You can see the they scribble on it. That's kids for you, isn't it? That's a studley, little dress, little cardigan, or a matinee jacket. And these are little matinee coat. Another little matinee coat. There's 3 on that one there. There's 1, 2, 3 different designs. They were a lot smaller, the patterns in my day than what they are now. There's a Peter Gregory one with its Aaron with jacket with hood, jacket with collar, little hat and little boots. There's a Peter Pan, 2 little cardigans, V-neck and a round neck. And this one is, don't know what brand it's. I have to hold it close to see if I can see a Chevy. It's got Chevy up there, C-H-E-V-Y. And it's super soft cuddles. Never heard of that one, but that's another one with 3 little sweaters on. 2 more little cardigans, a little V-necked one and a round neck one. Snuggly, that's Sirdar Snuggly, that one is. And here's a patterns with little flowers. They are embroidered on, I think, those little flowers on the bottom. I've never knitted this one. It was sent to me by a lady called Sandra, I think it was. And they are pattern, little a bit of fair rail across the bottom and the sleeves on a sweater and a cardigan. And then this one, it's another one that's out of the bag. That's another King Cole with sweater and a little headband type thing. And there's also a cardigan on the back. I think I've knit that one, and I've knit quite a few of the headbands actually. And then I have a book here. It's got all sorts in this book. I'll have to take it out. And that's the one I have for if I need to do a Christmas sweater. I've got a tree there and there's a reindeer. But this one had a little booklet like the blackberry stitch little cardigan and hat. There was matinee coat and hat, booties and mitts. I think there's booties on there. I can't see properly. No, just little mittens. There's no booties on it. There's little hooded matinee type coat, little mittens, a little cardigan, one in white there and one in pink, and another one little double-breasted jacket with a little hat to go with it. And there are little cardigans. One has a little bit scalloped edge here to it, and that one has a little bit pattern on the bottom. And I think there's some further on in the back. The rest are just the instructions. Yes, this will be Aaron, being an Aaron little hooded jacket. Another, I think they're all Aaron from here. This Aaron sweater. This Aaron, another double-breasted little set. I think it's pants, jacket and a little hat. There's another one with a little sweater. I think it's just a sweater. I can't see very well. Oh, and it's a cardigan. The blue one's a sweater and the yellow one's a cardigan. There's another little cardigan and a little hat. And that's in 2 colours. I think that's the same one in white. One colour. And one on the back. Another little set. It looks like pants. Yes, it is pants. Sweater, hat and mittens. So that is all of my knitting patterns. All of them. I've shown you every single knitting pattern I have. I just need to sort them all out properly now and get them all into the folders where I'm going to put them in, to keep all small babies ones like this in one folder, larger children in another folder, and then adult ones in one folder, and then another folder with different kinds where you have adults and children and that. So that's that. That's the end of my knitting patterns. So give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you another time. So bye for now.